That can actually go on a bookshelf, Lincoln.
Here's the soccer one. Here's this one, Daddy. I believe this one is yours.
You believe it? Okay.
I believe I want to put
Soccer?
this.
Okay.
I think.
What do you think?
I believe I want to put this here. Don't take those off. Don't take any ornaments off. Mama. The one in here was the rocking horse one over there.
Hey, Tim, can you say Merry Christmas?
Someone help me put this ornament
No?
off.
Can you say,
look at
oh,
this
oh,
one.
oh, 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 oh.
No. Can I put that one on?
Well, I gotta find a good place for this one. No, Pete.
I heard that.
We need your help with this one, Mama.